So in this video we will talk about the profile updation here. As you can see on the screen, there is a picture on the left hand side. Make sure that you have a big smiley face here with the wide eyes shown on your profile. As you can see here on the right hand side, there is a tagline. So for this tagline, you have to talk with your client that what your client will get at the as the end result. So here as you can see, you will get ultra clean modern UI with improved UX and clean code. This is depicting that your client will get something and your client will get a sense what he is getting from you. Far bottom here there are some skill sets. Make sure your profile is very skill set oriented, very niche. Select the industry niche, select your skill niche, and make your profile crystal clear. What are you doing and why are you here? So I see most of the guys do the mistakes of adding all of their skills at in a single given profile. For example, I could add here the WooCommerce, the WordPress, the print design, branding, logo designing, and everything stuff, everything which I can do for the client, but I didn't do here. You can see this profile is very crystal clear and very specific, very niche oriented, very industry oriented what I am doing here on this platform. So as you can see, the words used here: UI UX, UI UX, and again for mobile UI, design. So this is very niche oriented profile. Now come to the point on overview. So for overview, you have to talk directly with your client. Start directly talking with your client that who are you and what you can do and what your niche is and what your previous experience with your client is. You can write as I have written here 4,000 hours of work and also add plus years of experience, and repeat the keywords you are looking for your clients for example, if your client come to the platform and clicks here and click on freelancers and write here the UI design, for example, yeah, or HTML or CSS, so your client your profile should pop out on the screen of your client. And this is possible by the simple logic, how much keywords you have used for the optimization of Google in your profile. uh, for example, again and again you will see the keyword density here: design, user interface, UI, etc. So make your overview very clear, make very short paragraph, and directly talk with your client and do the stuff. Write very much specific detail of why your client should hire you, and at the end you should write some call to action like I have given here, and at the end your name. Looking for your reply. Here your work history and feedback will go, and at the very bottom there is a portfolio. So don't try to add each and every piece from your portfolio here, because some portfolio decrease your chances to get hired. The reason is simple: not your every piece of artwork will be very highly appreciable by the world. So be specific and add very specific portfolio item which you see that it is the best work of your life. Come to the certification and test. Yes, you can add some certification if you have. Upwork has added some uh, recognized certifications here. If you don't have, don't add. It's I don't think it's needed here. So there are some tests. If you have given and passed some tests, you can, it can be shown on your profile. As you can see, there is no problem to in taking those tests. The reason is simple: those tests are free. You can see on my profile, most of the tests I have taken on the platform I have failed or on below average, so you can make it off by clicking on yes or no button here. And below that there is the employment history. Right here the details about your previous employers and education, and I think that's all. Thank you guys.